Yes, guys, as we all know that Mr. Mkhwanazi called a press conference and to confess the names of the criminals, guys. Yes, Julius Malema is also supporting that. He said it takes a brave man to face the world and confess, guys. Said Julius Malema he support Mkhwanazi.
Mkhwanazi is a hero. For a man to go outside the established protocols to do what he did was to put his body on the line. That's what a man does. Whether you agree with him or not, it doesn't matter. But he played a very, very important role in exposing the rot, and it is our turn now, as a country, not as politicians, to deal with this matter. The country must pay a closer attention. One, that Mkhwanazi doesn't get victimized. Mkhwanazi's contract is coming to an end in December. If anything, they must advertise that post now, and then he must reapply and get reappointed again so that he can finish this tax. Thugs, I don't mean those criminals. I mean these ones we sit with in parliament. Our problem starts here. Mkhwanazi must arrest from here. But if we allow this thing to go and Mkhwanazi's contract is finished, they're not going to appoint him. Because they all say Mkhwanazi, praise him, Mkhwanazi. At the corners, they don't like the man. Or you, this one is going to lock us up, all of us here.
Yep, guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. If you have any opinion or any comment, you can leave them in the comment down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video.